As we all know, Cardano ADA has been experiencing a price drop lately. At the same time, Cardano's CEO, Charles Hoskinson, is optimistic, and he stated that you will regret not buying Cardano during this dip. But what is the reason behind this statement? Stay tuned to find out more in this video. Charles Hoskinson stated that no one institution, no one academic, no one perspective would be able to determine the rate of innovation at this point, and the rate of innovation now permeates the entire system. Furthermore, he added that it's likely that 120 papers will double by the end of next year, which is the beginning of a new ecosystem based on trust, and some nation-states are willing to make this work. And in Hoskinson's view, while the United States does not care, the European Union does not care, and China somewhat cares because it understands the issue. However, nations do take this seriously, as we see in El Salvador. Also, it's evident in any country around the world that the old system is not fair to them, as we see in African states. So now we're at that point where you can decide whether you want to continue doing things the way that they are. Are you up for something new, or would you like to share your opinion? Therefore, for Hoskinson, they created Cardano with the belief that if you put the right foundations and factors in place, the right course of trust, as well as the right mindset and time horizon, success is possible. Together, he believes we will achieve our goal. And once we reach this point, billions of people will be surrounded by the ecosystem, and it will be the most valuable infrastructure ever erected by mankind. Additionally, more valuable than the internet, since it has all the mining space all the time, all the economic activity, all the transactions, all the utility, and all the use of the system will be back-end for national governments. The skeptics will argue that this election is not credible because it was run by Cardano. Exactly how does one know this is part of the supply chain? It is the assurance of security that comes from using this system on the Cardano network, which is the purpose. Those are the steps we're seeking to push us forward. He further added that there might be a delay, but as long as they remain true to their principles, they remain true to their army, none of you will fail. Why rush then? There are so many positive advantages to this, and we are starting to see more uses and benefits. There is better economic activity, and all the positive factors are there. Additionally, what makes Cardano a strong competitor to other altcoins and cryptocurrencies? Moreover, what strengthens Hoskinson's claim that one will regret not investing in Cardano during this dip? With the number of wallets ready to stake Cardano ADA, and its smart contract platform has reached a new milestone in terms of market cap. And we will also be talking all about Cardano's milestone just hit and other latest Cardano developments. Cardano's market sentiment is mixed, as seen by the Cardano price analysis of the second weekend of December. After rising from $1.28 to $1.30, and swinging up to $1.32, the ADA is once again under selling pressure, and further upside is not possible. Further, bears are not allowing further advancement due to the overall bearish market, and bulls are having difficulty maintaining the price above $1.30 in the face of so much pressure. Based on the one-day price chart for Cardano price analysis, the bulls have increased the price through the $1.30 mark, but as selling pressure remains high, they cannot move any further in their endeavor. Meanwhile, starting the third week of December, the price of the coin is $1.30 with a loss of 5.8% over the last 24 hours and a 22.6% loss over the past week. And the coin's price has fallen overall over the past day, and that trend has continued. Also, bulls may lose control completely if the recovery is nominal and may turn negative if the recovery is negative. Further, Bollinger Bands indicate strong support for ADA at $1.85 and $1.23 respectively, representing the upper and lower limits of the volatility. As the Bollinger Band mean average is $1.54, it translates into resistance for ADA. So Cardano's ADA smart contract platform reached a significant milestone for the number of wallets ready to stake the sixth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. As of right now, over 1 million people are actively staking their ADA coins to earn rewards, according to the Cardano tracking site pool.pm. And those who own ADA on the Cardano network have an accumulated stake in the protocol equal to the number of coins they own. Additionally, they may stake their digital assets themselves and earn rewards, or delegate their tokens to others. Furthermore, during the last several months, Cardano has also seen an increase in active addresses. In fact, according to data collected by the analytics platform Masari, the number of active addresses on the network spiked to 485,693 in November before falling to 150,476 by December 5th. In the days following ADA's decline below $2, the number of active addresses hit an all-time high. According to Cardano creator and Input-Output Hong Kong, or IOHK CEO, Charles Hoskinson, decentralized exchanges could be introduced by the end of the year to the sixth largest crypto by market capitalization. In addition to this, let's take a look at the new Cardano Launchpad. With the Cardano Launchpad, Flicto is bringing media financing to the masses, and not many projects can convert at first glance, but this one has. Further, Flicto's mission is obvious to potential investors after just a glance at its website, which is to help creators produce their work. Moreover, when it comes to financing, there is a gap that needs to be closed in the media space, and that is why Flicto has been taking steps to fill this gap. In return for a reward, Cardano users can fund media projects through Flicto. Thus, investors fund the pools of investments funded by the Media Launchpad in this way, allowing them to provide funding to creators and artists. Further, Cardano's Launchpad allows anybody to fund and sponsor media productions of their choice, making it a first-of-its-kind feature in the ecosystem. Meanwhile, a project that receives funding through the Flicto Launchpad will first need to be voted on by users. To vote, users must hold Flick tokens. The tokens are staked, thereby granting the holder the right to vote. In the end, the projects that receive the most votes are financed by the community. Additionally, users can stake their Flick tokens alongside their ADA tokens, and those who vote for media projects receive rewards as well for participating in the voting process. Further, the Flicto community offers perks for its investors with each media project it funds. Each of the projects financed through the platform guarantees them a share of the distribution royalties. In addition to supporting content creators, filmmakers, TV producers, and new forms of talent, Flicto also funds NFT artists. For instance, Geraint Harvard-Jones and Ben Morris, both veterans of the movie industry, have joined the project as advisors. Then, together with decades of experience in directing and producing, Morris and Jones will assist Flicto. In its nascent stage, Flicto just launched, meaning investors can still take advantage of it at an early stage. In the second week of December, the first private sale of Flick tokens came to an end. Further, Kick.io, a Cardano-based project powered by IDO, will accept Flick token purchases through its IDO powered by the Cardano project. ADA can also be staked to gain Flick tokens, and users can participate in various NFT airdrops. Then, upon the listing of Flick tokens, users will be able to obtain them from exchanges that operate centralized and decentralized. Thus, investors will be able to take advantage of the Launchpad with an equity share distribution that is equitable and readily available. Another positive development is the launch of the first-ever ERC-20 converter on the Cardano testnet. With the help of IOG, the developer behind Cardano, the long-awaited project had finally reached its launch milestone. In addition to supporting the migration of ERC-20 tokens from the Ethereum to the Cardano blockchain, the network will come with a converter. With the release of smart contracts on the blockchain, development has accelerated. With developers beginning to test out dApps with help from the foundation, DeFi has started to take shape. In response, the community is now waiting with bated breath when Cardano-based DeFi services will finally be available. Cardano blockchain users can now take advantage of this new capability with the AGIX ERC-20 converter Singularity Net. Moreover, with its AGIX token, the converter was tested. With the AGIX ERC-20 converter, users can move AGIX tokens from Cardano to Ethereum or vice versa, as the converter is currently live on the testnet. As a result, AGIX transactions will be performed on a network that has much higher transaction capacity and lower fees. In the past, Cardano has been big on interoperability, so this converter helps it achieve its ultimate aim of being completely interoperable with other blockchains. Further, this sentiment has previously been expressed by Charles Hoskinson, who explained there would not be a single blockchain that dominates everything else. Blockchain infrastructure will coexist and compete to some degree. By using SimplicityNet's converter, you can now translate ERC-20 tokens into the native tokens of Cardano, preserving their functionality and value. With the built-in conversion system, users can also convert tokens back to their original ERC-20 format. As a result of these new updates to Cardano, I would agree with Hoskinson that buying Cardano at this time will not be a regret. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.